And here it is. Yesterday it was already too dark to unpack the Zoom, but now we're here at the Marc de Pombal. So why not just unboxing the Zoom F6 right here. There it is. Yeah, as you can see, it's a very small recorder, and for Libby and I, as a world traveling couple that records sounds all across the world, it's always great to have equipment that is small, that is compact, that is light, that we can fit in all our bags. And with this little friend here, welcome to the family. I think we have a lot of fun. Now what we're doing here in Lisbon is recording tons of sounds, so stay tuned for that, because I'm gonna publish these sounds. You can download these sounds, you can test, you can hear the quality between the recorders that I had in the past and this one. And also, of course, when we go to Spain, when we go back to Asia, you're gonna listen to all the sounds recorded with the Zoom F6. Ta-da!